Hey, how is everyone doing? Welcome to the Jodo Scanner channel. My name is Isaiah. Today we'll be fixing some issues that are in multiple cars, but specifically this happened to me 5-6 years ago. In this car, you want to see like not the driver's side, but the dash over here. I was getting some clicking noise from my AC unit. Specifically, like if you would turn this, you start hearing the clicking sound. And I went in there and just clipped it. And definitely have not had like heating and air and all that. 5 years later, thought the problem was gone, and then the other side starts clicking. It's caused from the gears like wearing down. They chip and then they miss, and then it just keeps spinning. Anyways. So we are finally trying to, instead of just cut the wire, we're trying to replace it. Here is the piece. It goes in, it's like a little plug right here. Kind of able, like right, yeah. So you can kind of just, there's the plug, and there's two mounting screws. Yeah, here's the thing. This will just like rotate in place. There's not really much to it, but this is like 20 bucks. Just go buy it online, and yeah, they will break and stuff, but they'll charge you a crazy amount of money, maybe a couple $100 to do this. But this part is literally like 20 bucks, and you can cut the line, which is pretty much easier to get to, but also I was struggling with my drill, and this little doohickey here, struggling with my drill and my ratchet, and eventually what caused me to be able to get it was just I took the extender piece that would go into the drill and just use that as like a screwdriver, like a mini screwdriver if you will, and just attach the bit that I needed on the end. So here, let me show you up inside. Okay, so previously it was my passenger side in the glove box, and that was really easy to get to, and this is underneath here. People will say it's a bit harder to get to, and it is, but let me show you a trick. So I was not able to get there with the drill or the ratchet. Basically, you just go up in here. I've taken this off, which I just snapped these things. You'll see these will be up in here, attached to the black thing. You just pull that off. Be careful, you do have some electrical back here and a bulb and all that goes to that goodness. But so you're going up in here, here's the gas pedal, here's the brake. This was like clipped on through this right here, but it's not electrically connected in it at all. You can disconnect the negative to your battery if you would like. And basically, so right up in here, it's right there with the barcode on there. Pretty tricky to see, but I've taken my DeWalt extender here, put in the correct piece on the end there, blanking on what that's called, socket. Put the correct socket on there, and then just literally twisted that loose. Right, those came out. There's still another bolt to get to it there, but as you can see, the plug in the back there, you can see that plug right there. That plug is definitely something you want to get out. But there it is. There's your plug. You can just take a screwdriver to that, pop that out. I'm going to continue working, but there you have it. take that out, and that should get rid of your clicking noise, or replace it. This is that clicking noise you'll get. Might be able to turn it off by like messing with these, but no. Okay, so I'm going up under. Here's the gas pedal, here's the brake. I've actually removed both of the mounting screws. I'm just hanging on by the clip here. So the way you want to do the clip is pull this top part down. Probably be a lot easier to do if I wasn't filming. It's kind of stupid here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the. So I finally got out the AC Actuator. So this is the one where I clip the cables over by the glove box, and this, as you can see, still has the clip in the end of it where you can pull that out. Oh my gosh, it's just ridiculous to do with one hand. I need a GoPro. Okay, yep, as you can not see, I tried to show you there, damn. Yeah, this thing came out. This is quite ridiculous. I'm going to get a GoPro. And then this is much more taken care of. As you can see, I didn't rip anything. Use these screws as was supposed to. So this, you want to keep these because maybe some of the screws that you install the next time will break or something, etc. So these are pretty useful to have. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I'd be glad to answer anything.